welcome back. And in today's look, I went for a festive, patriotic, 4th of July themed makeup look. I just did simple makeup. I obviously put glitter in there because I cannot help myself. This week I'm just going crazy. A few different things I wanted to show you for hair. It's just headbands, and then there's like a bandana, and then I did 2 lip options. And if I keep looking over there, it's because my neighbors are out mulching, and I'm gonna be so embarrassed if they see me over here looking like this in my bedroom talking to myself. Not really, I'm talking to you guys. So anyways, if you want to see how I got my festive look, please keep watching. I've already put on my foundation. I've done my eyebrows, and I did do a little cream contour. It is 93 degrees out right now, so bear in mind the sweating factor. There goes UPS. Ding dong. Okay, anyways, when it's really sweaty, you don't want to be like too dewy, too luminous. You don't want to put on too much of all those products because you're already going to be sweating. So you're going to be sweating like a beast, and then you got stuff to make you look shiny. It ain't going to be cute. So just be careful when doing your makeup that day on not using too many luminous products, or just make sure you pack your powder because you're going to need it. So let's jump into it. I'm going to do a very simple eye look today. We are going to do lashes because they just look so much better. I mean, I'm going to use a little glitter, so I guess it is a little crazy, but, you know, not too much. So I'm just going to, I have this MAC little eyeshadow pan. It's the Amber ×9. I'm just going to mix a little of this mauve shade and the brown shade. I love to put mauve tones in my crease. Because I can't find anything, we'll use the same palette. I'm just going to take this shimmery gold shade on my pinky and just kind of pat it and blend it up into the other eyeshadow. Next, we're going to take this NYX glitter glue, just a little bit, in the back of my hand. So I'm just going to do right here. Probably should do one eye at a time because the glue can dry pretty fast, but we'll rush. Here I'm going to go in with the glitter. This is the NYX glitter face and body. It's the silver. Just dipping it in the top of the cap. It's messy. Glitter is messy. So I'm just putting it right where I put the glitter glue. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Always look terrible when you're first starting out in your eye makeup. Like, I know I say it every time, but it's like every time I'm like, ugh. Why? That's why sometimes a lot of people will do like all their face makeup, but still I have some face makeup on. I still look nasty, so I suck. Just taking this Urban Decay All Nighter eyeliner, and again, tight lining. And you're being messy with it. Very, very messy. I'm going to go back to this eyeshadow palette that I was using earlier by MAC, and I'm going to take the darkest color. That one has like glitter in it. So I'm just going to take this dark brown and smudge on the top. I'm going to smudge out the lower lash line as well. This is no rhyme or reason, just make it a little messy. Make it look lived in. Back in the day, I always wore makeup, whatever, but sometimes I would do my makeup and I would not be happy with it. I just would be like, why does it look ugh? And then I'd wake up in the morning and I'd love my hair and my makeup. I would be like, I look better this morning than I did last night. And I never understood it. And I think it's because the makeup had time to set in. Now, when I was doing makeup 10 years ago, there wasn't this whole dewy makeup setting spray, blah, blah, blah. Like, I just didn't know so many things. And a huge trick that I've actually done and I've heard of before is do your makeup and then go sit in the shower with the door shut and run it on hot for like 5 minutes. And your makeup will kind of set into your skin and you'll look like, it won't look so polished and perfect. It'll look like a pretty face. You know, sometimes you look at somebody's makeup and it's like, it is so perfect that, I don't know, it doesn't look as natural. Again, nothing about this is natural with glitter on your eyes. But we're putting on lashes, so we can definitely just go for it and smoke it right out. All right, so I'm going to put on some mascara and some lashes, my usual. I'll be right back. Faux MINK Wispies. They are, sometimes stuff with the camera looks so different. Like this, obviously you can see makeup and it looks extra, but it looks so different when I look into a mirror, like up close. Maybe just get a little closer. I love the lashes. They are super, super soft. Like, I've never really used like the faux MINK ones because they're more expensive, but these are, they feel good. They do feel better than most. So, I'm actually going to use this Love and Beauty. It's by Forever 21. It's in the color, I'll just link it below because I can't pronounce it. It looks like it's in French. I don't speak French. Oui, oui. Just gonna go over that with my stippling brush. I don't think I'm gonna highlight today again because it is so Judy hot outside that it's just not even worth it. I do have this holographic one. I've used it. I used it last time. I cannot find the particular one I'm using for the Mary Luminizer now. I might go down the nose a little bit and then here. Definitely not going on the face. Something you can do if you want to be extra is like do the tops of your shoulders. Give it a little sheen, especially if you're wearing something that would like show them. If you're thin and not a beast like me and your collarbones are out, then definitely put a little highlighter on them. I'm gonna do like a pinky one and then I'm gonna actually do a red one. This one is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lip Color in the color Queen Bee. Gloss, again, you can leave it like this. The nice thing about these matte liquid lipsticks that most companies have now is that they're matte, they stay. You don't have to worry about touching them up, you know, because when you wear glosses, I love them, they look juicy, yada, 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 but if it's windy, your hair's blowing in your face, your sodas are going to be covered in lipstick. Anywhere I go, my water bottle, coffee cup, everything's always covered in lipstick, which I'm okay with. That's me. But, you know, your boo might not think it's so cute. So, I am going to do it just because I can't help myself. This is just one of my favorite ones. And this is the Chanel Brilliance in 02. I hate this on its own, but over lip colors, it's perfect. This is what we have. So to finish the look off, I have a bunch of kind of decorative things. I have stickers here, and I also have these body jewels. You can get them at like your local supermarket, probably Walmart, wherever. Something that I love, my sister and I have always kind of liked to do this, is we like to put like little stickers on our face. I know it can be juvenile, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. So I just think a cute little, I always think something cute on the face, like these are not body jewels, they are just stickers, but like a little star or a heart would be really cute. Then next, to keep in the dorky theme, I have some things for the hair. Even this bandana thing that I had earlier in my hair, it's wicked cute, it's cheap. This one just is already put together, but you can just take a bandana, roll it up, and put it on the top of your head, and it is wicked, wicked cute. And it's cute and girly, and it's a cheap way to look cute and keep your hair out of your face and something different. But again, whatever you want to do. Especially on a day like today, it is hot AF. So now, I buy the dorkiest things because I'm always just like, I'm okay walking around a party with this on my head, like, and this on my face, like, but again, I'm very comfortable in my own skin. I like what I like, and I'm okay with it. So, I mean, if you're at a 4th of July party, get with it. You know, that's what I say. Get with the theme. But, and just stick your hair back cute, whatever. If you're not comfortable wearing it, don't wear it. And then I bought this one, which I thought was cute too. I need to get my hair done, so I don't even know if it'll look cute like that. Oh, I need to get my hair done. So those are just 2 of the little headbands that I bought. And then again, this thing. There. And I think that's just so cute. I'm going to show you with a sticker on my face too. Again, I mean, I think it is so cute. I do. I just think it is so cute. It's girly. It's different. It's fun. Some girls are not comfortable doing stuff like this, and that's okay. You don't have to be. I can't begin to tell you how many times people have picked on me for stuff like this, but it doesn't bother me because I like to look like this. Like, I like to be girly, festive, a little over the top. It's a little juvenile, but I'm okay with it. Like, I love it, and I'm comfortable with it, so it doesn't bother me. I did decide to go for like a red lip. So, and today I'm not even going to do a lip gloss, or I'm not going to do a lipstick. I'm going to do a lip gloss. LA Colors Glossy Lip Glosses. Okay, so this is the red lip gloss. I love this red lip gloss. I love it, and I love it because it's really pigmented, but it's a gloss. Now, the only thing I can tell you is that red runs. That baby runs. Sprints right off. So you have to be very careful when you put it on because it'll bleed into your skin. So I would suggest a lip liner. My sister and I always, for any theme, we always were just there with the stickers. 4th of July, St. Patrick's Day, when we would go to SU games, we'd be like, oh, did you get the stickers, to put like cute stickers on our face, because we thought we were cute. So whatever. But I love to be festive. I went out and I bought like all these glow bracelets, pinwheels and stuff. I don't know. I like to be extra, I guess. I'm extra. That's okay. I'm just going to have to get used to it. I actually got these for the kids because I was going to put them on their ankles. That way I could like see them take off and run. So I thought it was cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Happy 4th of July. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.